The party is just getting going. If you're a female foam frog, a single partner is simply not enough. She invites a whole crowd to a foam party. It's the first event of the season at Athena's waterhole. She'll lay her eggs in the froth whipped up by the males, and they will develop safely inside. It's been a long night for the foam frogs, and they're beginning to tire. But for one reveler, at least there's a taxi ride home. Sometimes, the foam frog gets taken for a ride, whether he wants it or not. The foam frog is happy to sit out in the sun. For the next few weeks, the waterhole will be home to the frog's tiny tadpoles. But they won't go unnoticed by the killifish and terrapins living beneath them. Only the largest terrapin can reach them. His prize is a meringue with a soft tadpole filling.